Alright guys, I wanted to update to my review of the Dorman intake. This is a 2001 F-150 5.4. The factory intake was leaking at one of the water jackets. Ended up replacing it with this Dorman intake. I think it was about $150 something off of Amazon, shipped to me. And I read positive and negative reviews on this, and I have to give this one a positive right now. It's got about maybe, I say probably about 8,000 to 10,000 miles on it. About 2 months ago I put it on. I have to check the date on the other video, but I gotta say it hasn't given me any problems. It's been 80 to 90 to almost 100 degrees here in Oklahoma, and I have to give this one a positive review right now. If something changes, I will update and post another video about it. Now, I did notice some higher RPM pulling harder. It kind of feels like it lost some down low. That might be because of the intake, whether intake runners are different than the factory. I'm not sure, and I don't have any flow numbers on it or dyno numbers. I never did that. I had a leaking intake that needed a new intake put on it, and so that's what I did. I will, like I said, it's a positive review right now. Worth the change out. Save yourself some money. Inspect it well when you buy one. When you get the package, make sure it's all there. The negatives probably about it is that it's all self-tap screws. The fuel lines are held in self-tap screws. There's no inserts, no threads in there. Same with the coil packs. I didn't have any problems. I didn't muscle them down. I just made them snug, and I haven't had any problems with that. This truck's got quite a few miles on it. I've towed some stuff with it. Like I said, I feel really like I've lost some power down low, but in the higher RPMs, I feel like I pull a lot better pulling up hills, pulling a 20-foot boat. Gotta say, I don't have any problems with that. And that the cold air kit and the Flowmaster is the only thing I've done to this truck. I am thinking about getting an SCT tuner, and I will update on that, since I don't hardly see any videos about the difference of the SCT tuner on these 2-valve 5.4 motors. Anyways, I want to keep it short and simple. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I'll try to answer the best I can. And that's all for now. Thanks.